Hello students, welcome on board. My name is Victor Garcia Martinez. I will be your instructor for anatomy and physiology. I am an international medical graduate and specialist in OBGYN in Venezuela, and I've been teaching anatomy, physiology, microbiology, and pharmacology for more than 20 years. The last 3 years here at Lone Star. I'm gonna show you some useful tips to take advantage of your D12 resources for your exams. First of all, we're gonna see for general purposes for any anatomy and physiology exam, please assignments before exams rule. For instance, before taking, for example, the lecture exam number 1, you have to deliver first your homework and you have to take the quiz number 1. Before taking the lab practical number 1, you have to deliver first your assignment related with the lab practical, for example, lab exercises and activities. As you can see here, you have your content, and first of all, you have to go to Getting Started. It's a brief description about the course, and you can see here a video with the indications, with these instructions about how to get an A in this course. And after that, you have here your syllabus with every single question you have, every single concern you can have, including your evaluation. And then you have your schedule for the whole semester, for the whole summer. By the way, we have only 6 weeks, guys. And here you have 6 weeks for 4 modules. We have the first module, the second module, the third module, fourth module, and the final week. After that, each module has instructions. You have to follow these instructions. You have lecture exam 1, lab exam 1, for example, and each of them has homeworks and quizzes, but you have to read first the PowerPoints for each chapter, and then you have to solve your homework and take your quizzes before taking your lecture exam. The same thing is going to be for lab practicals. You have to take then the terminology, check the terminology, check the review first, deliver your homework for labs here, and finally you have to take your lab practical. The other useful thing should be other resources, and here you have every single lecture in PowerPoint. You have the Biology Learning Center, and by the way, this link is gonna be used around 80% for each lab practical. You have here your animations. It's a cool way to learn your textbook, and here you have another resources, and they're gonna be very useful for your success here in anatomy and physiology. Guys, again, take advantage of your resources. We have no lockdown browser for your exams, then you can be surrounded by your resources during your exams. Please be aware, you have to be isolated, relaxed, and surrounded by your resources in order to take your exams in an ideal way. That's the perfect way to earn an A in this course.
See you around, guys.